Good morning, my beautiful flower, and look at that, guys. What a beautiful morning day. Such extra bonus overload happiness. Look at that beautiful butterfly. Might be last night when I bring inside all my plants, guys. This beautiful butterfly already into my flowers because there is a warning last night here, guys. Alberta, Canada have a frost, so I bring inside all my plants. So today is a beautiful day, sunshine, so I will bring back out all my plants. So that's the weather here, guys. It's weird, so beautiful day. Good morning, beautiful butterfly. Look at that. I found this right into my beautiful flower in here. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful creator of nature. Such a beautiful creator nature. Hello, my friend. Hello, my beautiful butterfly. Oh, this butterfly, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Hello, how are you? Oh. Why you got inside my house? Good morning, beautiful butterfly. How are you doing? Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, the butterfly loves my flower. Are you still pollinating my flowers? Oh, what a beautiful creator nature. Wow. Because, guys, I bring inside my flowers because last night have a frost, so I always check the weather, guys. So I bring inside all my flowers. So might be when I bring inside the flower, this beautiful butterfly already in to my